So, good evening to all. So, in the last class, we have seen the formulas on the multiple and submultiple angles. After going through all these formulas, the applications are very important because we may find the different types of the problems, but we have to develop the application skills in you, how to apply the known formulas to the various type of the problems to get the given answer. That's why here we will solve some problems on it. So all of you open our material. Once observe the material. कहाँ तक हो गया लास्ट क्लास में? 31 हो गए ना? Okay. Now look at the problem number 32nd. Page number 15 in our material. Open the page number 30. Problem number 32nd. 1 plus cos square 2a is equivalent to how much? 1 plus cos square 2a. So if you want to find that, so in the options you can find both the terms sin and cos. That's why. So carefully we have to apply the formula here. It is 1 plus cos square 2a. That is cos 2a term is there here. Tell me, what is the formula for cos 2a in terms of cos and sin?
Cos square a minus sin square a.
Good. Cos 2a means you can write cos square a minus sin square a whole square. The square is there. So cos 2a I can write like that. Now I will expand that. It is 1 plus, it is a minus b whole square, which is a square cos square a whole square, which is cos power 4a, plus b square, that is sin power 4a, minus 2ab, that is 2 sin square a cos square a, we can write it. Okay, that is expansion of that. But actually this answer is not there in the options. They have modified the answer. How? Means in the first topic of the trigonometry, from the trigonometric ratios, we know the result that cos power 4a plus sin power 4a, we can also write as a
1 minus 3 sin square a cos square a.
1 minus 2 sin square a cos square a. If cos power 6a plus sin power 6a is there, that is you can write 1 minus 3. But 1 minus 2 bole to cos power 4a plus sin power 4a. That result we know it. So here you consider this first term and this last term. If you join them, there is 1 minus 2 sin square a cos square a. That is you can write cos power 4a plus sin power 4a. These two terms together you can write like this. Plus there is a cos power 4a plus sin power 4a is there in between. So if we add them, we can find the 2 cos power 4a plus 2 sin power 4a. That is you can write 2 times cos power 4a plus sin power 4a. So that is the answer. Means if you know the result, then only we will get this idea to bring that answer. If you don't know the result or if you don't know the formulas, nothing we can do it. Take the problem.
Done, sir.
Okay. Yes. Look at the next problem. Observe this problem number 33. One minus 2 sin square pi by 4 plus theta. So we have to simplify this. 1 minus 2 sin square pi by 4 plus theta. Okay. To find that, once observe this format. To observe this format, it is in the format of 1 minus 2 sin square a form. What is the formula for 1 minus 2 sin square a? 1 minus 2 sine square a. That is the formula for
Cos 2a.
Square A.
cos 2a. That is cos 2a. A means here pi by 4 plus theta. ये बोले तो pi by 4 plus theta. So that is equivalent to cos multiply by that 2 into pi by 4 which is pi by 2 plus 2 theta. The problem become like this. To observe the angle here, pi by 2 plus 2 theta. In which coordinate it lies? Pi by 2 plus 2 theta. It lies in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, cos is negative, so you have to take the minus sign. When the quadrant angle is pi by 2, cos changes to sine, so it becomes sine 2 theta. Therefore, this is, you can also write 1 minus sine 2 theta. That is answer. Take the next problem. What is the least value of sine theta into cos theta? Okay, look at this 34th problem. I want to find the least value of sine theta into cos theta. So because we know the minimum and maximum value of the sine theta separately, and we know the minimum and maximum value of the cos theta separately. Those minimum values is -1, maximum value is 1. So to find the minimum or maximum for any trigonometric equation or expression, if it has a more than 2 trigonometric ratios, first convert them into the single trigonometric ratio. Convert them into the single trigonometric ratio. That's fine. Here sine theta into cos theta is there, but we know the formula for sine 2a is 2 sine a cos a. That formula we know it. That's why here 2 is not there. Multiply and divided by that 2 is divided by that 2 and multiply by that 2. Then this is, you can write that 1 by 2 times 2 sine theta cos theta, we can write it. So it is 1 by 2 into, we know the formula for 2 sine theta cos theta is sine 2 theta. So 2 sine theta cos theta, we can write the sine 2 theta. So now we can observe that the problem was converted into the single trigonometric ratio, that is the sine 2 theta. Now I want to find the least value of this. Tell me, what is the least value of the sine 2 theta? Sine
minus
Minus 1.
-1. Whatever may be the angle, the least value of the sine is always -1 and its maximum value is +1. So if I substitute the least value of that, this total value becomes the least. Therefore, its the least value is equal to 1 by 2 into -1, that is equal to -1 by 2. That is the least value of this expression.
Sir, here largest value is asked.
Largest, okay. What is the largest value of the sine 2 theta? Plus
1.
1.
So therefore the largest value is, that is +1 by 2. Take that.
Done, sir.
Next problem. Uh, 35th problem. Let's observe this. Secant 2a plus 1 into secant square a. Secant 2a plus 1 into secant square a. So we have to do this simplification. Just observe this. To find this, whenever there is a secant terms are there, but we don't have any formula for secant 2a or cosecant 2a. So when they have given the secant and the cosecant, convert them in terms of the sine and cos. So secant 2a, we can write 1 by cos 2a plus 1 into secant square a, means you can write 1 by cos square a, we can write it. Then here we will take the LCM in the bracket, which is cos 2a. Then the numerator is 1 plus cos 2a, we can write it, into 1 by cos square a. Then we have the formula for 1 plus cos 2a. Tell me what is the formula for 1 plus cos 2a?
2 cos square A.
2 cos square a. Good. By cos 2a into 1 by cos square a. So where that cos square a is getting cancelled. Cos square a gets cancelled. The remaining is 2 by cosecant cos 2a. 1 by cos. That is, you can write secant 2a. So that answer is 2 secant 2a. This answer. Take that. Yes, so look at the next problem, 36. Observe this problem number 36. It is cosecant A minus 2 cot 2A into cos A. So we have to find the value of this. Just observe this. To simplify this, so there is a cosecant A is there. The cosecant A we can write 1 by sin A minus 2 times cot 2A. Cot means you can write cos by sin. So this is, you can write cos 2A by sin 2A into cos A. Like that you can express them, you can convert them in terms of sin and cos. So this is 1 by sin A minus 2 times there is a cos 2A upon the denominator there is a sin 2A. What is the formula for sin 2A?
2 sin A cos A.
Okay, good. 2 sin A cos A and into cos A is there. So where 2 and 2 gets cancelled, cos A gets cancelled. Then here sin A is there, here also sin A is there. The LCM is sin A. So in the numerator you get that 1 minus cos 2A. Numerator will get that 1 minus cos 2A. What is the formula for 1 minus cos 2A? 1 minus cos 2A का formula क्या है?
2 sin square A.
2 sin square A upon sin A. Where sin A gets cancelled. So the answer is 2 sin A. This is the final answer. Take that. Completed. Next, so look at the next problem. 37th problem. Observe this. Cos 20 degree into cos 40 degree into cos 80 degree. So we have to find this. To find that. So in the last class, I was given the result to you. The last result, I was given that since cos theta into cos 60 degree minus theta into cos 60 degree plus theta. This result we know. What is the formula for it? Cos theta, cos 60 minus theta into cos 60 plus theta. This is, we have proved it, that is cos 3 theta by 4. That is the result I was given in the last class. Not only for the 60, for the 120, for the 240, for the 300. For all those angles here, you get the same result. Okay. So we have to consider this result. In this, I will substitute that let theta is equal to 20 degree. Substitute that theta is equal to 20 degree. We substitute there, it is cos 20 into cos 60 minus 20, which is 40 degree, into cos 60 plus 20, that is 80 degree. So exactly that only we got here. That is equal to cos 3 into 20, that is 60 degree by 4. So you have to compulsorily recollect this result. If you know this result, then only you can able to solve the problem. Otherwise, it is very difficult to solve it. So cos 60, that is 1 by 2 by 4, which is 1 by 8. So the answer is 1 by 8. Take that. Completed? Yes, look at the
Yes,
next
sir.
problem. Observe this 38th problem. So we have to simplify the sine theta plus sine 2 theta upon 1 plus cos theta plus cos 2 theta. We have to do the simplification of it. Just observe here. To simplify this, it is sine theta plus there is a sine 2 theta. What is the formula for sine 2 theta?
2 sin A cos theta.
2 sine theta cos theta upon, in the denominator, consider this first term and this last term. So dono bhi consider karo, then it is in the form of 1 plus cos 2 theta form. What is the formula for 1 plus cos 2 theta? How do you write it?
2 cos square theta.
2 cos square theta, I can write it these two terms. Plus in between cos theta is there. Now from the numerator, what we can take common?
2 cos theta.
Numerator sin theta common निकाल सकता, बाकी 1 plus 2 cos theta will be there upon denominator से क्या common निकाल सकता? Cos theta. What is the remaining? 2 cos theta plus 1, where this 2 cos theta plus 1 gets cancelled. Now sin theta by cos theta, which is tan theta.
Tan theta.
That is the answer. Yes, so look at the next problem. 39th problem देखो. Sin 2 theta is given as 3 by 4. Then what is the value of sin cube theta plus cos cube theta is equal to how much? 39. Sin 2 theta is given as 3 by 4. Then what is the value of sin cube theta plus cos cube theta is equal to how much? Okay. So you have to think about this problem a lot. Just think about it. It is sin 2 theta was given from this. How do you find the value of this? So first of all, if you observe this relation, it is in the form of AQ plus BQ. What is the formula for AQ plus BQ? AQ plus BQ का formula क्या है?
A square plus B square in
No. AQ
A
plus
cube
A
plus
cube
B
plus B cube plus A
B
square
plus
B
3 AB square.
No, that is the
A plus B into A
whole cube.
A plus B
A plus B
into A square minus
plus
AB
B
plus
square
B square.
plus AB.
Okay, that is one factor. Or otherwise, one more formula. A plus B
A
whole
plus
cube.
B minus 3AB A plus B.
Good. A plus B whole cube minus 3AB into A plus B. So, this is I can write sine theta plus cos theta whole cube minus 3AB, that is 3 sine theta cos theta into A plus B sine theta plus cos theta. Like that you can express this. A plus B whole cube minus 3AB into A plus B, right? So if you want to find this value, of course sine 2 theta means we can write 2 sine theta cos theta, we can write it, that is 3 by 4. 2 sine theta cos theta is the 3 by 4, therefore sine theta into cos theta is equal to 3 by 8 divided by 2. This is the value of sine theta into cos theta. So this value we know it, but I don't know what is the value of sine theta plus cos theta, I don't know. That's why that we have to find it. For that, what we will do is let sine theta plus cos theta, take it as a k. Take the sine theta plus cos theta is a k, squaring it on both the sides. If squaring it on both the sides, then it is sine square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sine theta cos theta is equal to k square, we will get it. Okay. Now sine square theta plus cos square theta value is 1 plus 2 sine theta cos theta, that is sine 2 theta, that was given 3 by 4 is equal to k square. So 1 plus 3 by 4, that is 7 by 4. K square is equal to 7 by 4. Then the value of the k is root over 7 by 4, that is root 7 by 2. This is the value of the k. So k means sine theta plus cos theta, that is root 7 by 2. That will substitute here. So this is root 7 by 2 whole cube minus 3 into sine theta into cos theta, that is 3 by 8 into, this is root 7 by 2. That's the value of that. Now if we simplify this, what is the root 7 whole cube? Root 7 whole cube, how much? That is, I can write root 7 whole square into root 7 लिख सकता ना? Whole cube बोले तो whole square into root 7 I can write it. Root 7 whole square is 7. It is 7 root 7 by 2 cube is 8. Root 7 whole cube, we can write 7 root 7 by 2 cube means that is 8 minus 3 3s are 9 root 7 by 16. Like that I can write it. Now from these two, tell me what we can take common.
8.
Otherwise, what is the LCM?
Root 7.
LCM क्या है?
16.
16.
16.
And the numerator क्या मिलेंगे हमको? 8 2s are 16, so 7 2s are 14. 14 minus 9, that is 5 root 7. This is answer. 5 root 7 by 16. Take that.
Sir, explain one more time.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
Next, look at the next problem. Observe this problem number 40. It's a simple question. Here it is given that cos 3 theta is equal to alpha cos theta plus beta cos cube theta. Then what is the ordered pair alpha comma beta? To find this, here cos 3 theta was given. Tell me what is the formula for cos 3 theta? Cos 3 theta formula क्या है? 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. This is the formula for cos 3 theta, right? Now, if we compare on both the side, tell me what is the value of the alpha and beta? Alpha value क्या है? What is the alpha value? Where alpha represent cos theta का coefficient. Cos theta coefficient is an alpha. So what is the cos theta का coefficient? -3. That's why alpha value is -3. Beta represent coefficient of cos cube theta. Here cos cube theta का coefficient 4. That's why beta value is 4. These are the values of alpha and beta. Take that. Next, look at the next problem. So this 41st problem. Tan A is given 1/2. Then what is the tan 3A? Tan A value was given as 1/2. Then you have to find the value of tan 3A. To find this, tell me what is the formula for tan 3A?
3 tan A minus tan cube theta.
Minus tan cube A upon 1 minus 3 tan square A. This is the formula for tan 3A. Where tan A value was given, so we'll substitute there. So 3 into 1/2, that is 3/2, minus tan cube, that is 1/8 upon 1 minus 3 into tan square means 1/4. So the LCM in the numerator is 8. 8 is the LCM in the numerator. 2 4s are 8, 4 3s are 12. 12 minus 1, that is 11/8. Into the denominator is 1 minus 3/4. 1 minus 3/4 is 1/4. If it comes to the numerator, it becomes 4/1. So 4 1s are 4 2s gets cancelled. So answer is 11/2.
Done, sir.
Yes, look at the next problem. 42nd problem. Just observe this. X plus 1/x is equal to 2 cos theta x plus 1/x is equal to 2 cos theta. Then what is the value of x cube plus 1/x cube is equal to how much? Just observe this. Then we have to find x cube plus 1/x cube. So if you want to find that, since it is in the form of aq plus bq formula, aq plus bq. What is the formula for aq plus bq? aq plus bq. Just now we have applied it. A plus b whole
A
cube.
plus
Whole cube minus A3AB in the bracket A plus B.
Good. A plus b whole cube. A means x plus b means 1/x whole cube. minus 3ab. A means x, b means 1 by x into a plus b, that is x plus 1 by x. So you write that formula. So that implies where x plus 1 by x value was given 2 cos theta. Substitute here 2 cos theta whole cube minus 3 times where x and x gets cancelled. This is 2 cos theta. Substitute that x plus 1 by x value there. Now it is 2 cube means that is 8 cos cube theta minus 6 cos theta. Then from these two terms, from the coefficients, I can take the 2 common. Take the 2 common, the remaining is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. This is the remaining we are getting. So this is 2 times. What is the formula for it? 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta is the formula for
Cos 3 theta.
Cos 2 theta.
Cos
cos
3 theta.
3 theta.
3 theta.
Therefore, that answer is 2 cos 3 theta. This is x plus 1 by x is 2 cos theta. Then x cube plus 1 by x cube becomes 2 cos 3 theta. Take that.
Done, sir.
Okay. Yes, look at the 43rd problem. Observe this. Sine alpha was given as minus 3 by 5. Sine alpha is minus 3 by 5. Then pi less than alpha less than 3 pi by 2. Then what is the value of cos alpha by 2? Let's find the value of the cos alpha by 2. Okay. Just observe here. Sin alpha value was given, and where alpha lies between pi to 3 pi by 2. From this information, tell me in which coordinate that alpha lies? कौन सा coordinate में रहती?
Third.
Third quadrant. So in the third quadrant, sin alpha and as well as cos alpha both are negative. So where sin alpha value was given, I will take the right angle triangle for the angle alpha. Sin means opposite by hypotenuse. Only take the positive sign here because this represent length of the side always should be positive. So it is a 3 unit opposite, hypotenuse 5 unit. Then what is adjacent side?
4.
4 unit. Now from this right angle triangle, tell me what is the formula for the cos alpha?
4 by 5.
4 by 5. Means we will take the value from the triangle and from the coordinate we will take the sign. Where alpha is in the third coordinate cos is negative.
Negative.
That is minus 4 by 5. Okay. Now I want the cos alpha by 2 value. I want to find it. Cos alpha by 2 means half of this angle of the cos I want to find it. For that, we will consider the formula of cos 2a in terms of the cos. What is the formula for cos 2a in terms of the cos?
2 cos square a minus 1.
Good. 2 cos square a minus 1. This is the formula. We know it. Means within the formula, whatever the angle is there here, this angle, we are making it as an half. By using that formula, now tell me, how do you write the cos to cos alpha by using that formula? Cos square. For applying that formula, whatever the angle we are finding here, make it as an half. Here alpha is there. Alpha ka half ka
Alpha
minus 1 is equal to minus 4 by 1. Means cos alpha we can write as an 2 cos square alpha by 2 minus 1 we can write it. So send this minus 1 other side. Therefore 2 cos square alpha by 2 is equal to plus 1 minus 4 by 5. So 1 minus 4 by 5, that is 1 by 5. Then divided by the 2, that implies cos square alpha by 2 we will get 1 by 10. So therefore cos alpha by 2 is equal to, we are removing the square here. If you remove the square, other side you have to keep plus or minus 1 by root 10. Cos alpha by 2 value we got that plus or minus 1 by root 10. So here we can observe the options. In the options, both the values are there. But the question is that which one you have to take it, the plus or minus? For that,
Minus.
so here since it is given that pi less than alpha less than 3 pi by 2 was given. Then divided by 2. So divided by 2 here, this is pi by 2 less than alpha by 2 less than 3 pi by 4. Means alpha by 2 is going to lie between pi by 2 to the 3 pi by 2. Pi by 2 means 90 degree. 3 pi by 4 bole to 135 degree. So alpha by 2 lies in between 90 to 135. 90 to 135 means in which quadrant it lies?
Second quadrant.
Second quadrant. So alpha by 2 lies in the second coordinate. So in the second coordinate, what about the cos?
Negative.
Negative. So therefore, we have to take that cos alpha by 2 the negative sign minus 1 by root 10. This is answer for cos alpha by 2. Understood that? Means whenever whatever the function was given, first convert them into the cos. Because we know the formula for cos 2 in terms of the cos, in terms of the sine, and in terms of the tan also. Suppose if they ask about the sine alpha by 2, write down this formula in terms of the sine. If they ask about the value of tan alpha by 2, write down this formula in terms of the tan, then you have to find that corresponding value. Like that.